How to open Google Drive link iPhone. To get started, first of all, open up the Messages application on your phone. Then, go ahead and open the chat box containing the Google Drive link. You may also open the Drive link from other messaging options like WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. Now, tap on the link to open the Drive contents. Over here, tapping on the contents will allow you to view the files one by one. Not only that, you can also copy this Drive link to forward it to other people. To do that, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and a menu with options will appear on the screen. From there, select Copy Link to copy that specific Google Drive link. You can now share this drive with others, simply by sending them the link. Following these steps, you can easily open a Google Drive link on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.